So it's a no makeup, hair in a ponytail kind of day because I'm cleaning my closet. Today is one of those days that I'm just organizing my life, organizing my closets, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me, maybe give you some inspo, get you moving, motivated, and maybe get your clothes organized for spring. Or maybe you already are, maybe you're a step ahead of the game. Good on you if you are. Not me. I got all my winter duds in here and I need rid of them. It is a happy day in Canada when we can get rid of these old clothes. Wait all winter for this. It's gonna be far from perfect, but I am okay with that. I know where everything is. Nobody else is using it but me. Yes. Yeah. I have a lot of clothes that I do not wear, so I'm going to be happy to see them go, and hopefully somebody else can get some use out of them. I'm just worrying about my own closets. With it being spring, finally starting to get nice weather, and let's just hope that I can bust out the summer clothes soon, because they are patiently waiting in bags underneath down at the bottom of this cupboard that I'm not unpacking as of yet because I don't want to jinx it. I have t-shirts and I have capris and stuff like that, but once it gets to be hot, so give it another, what is this, April? Let's hope by the end of May, beginning of June is going to be hot, that I can pull all of that fun stuff out beforehand. Give it a good wash, donate, figure out what I want to do with it, and put it back in my closet. But until then, I am just dealing with my stuff for now. Yeah, I'm not touching Mark's side because that's a job for him to go through. I don't know what he wants to keep, and probably everything, or what he wants to get rid of, probably nothing. So that's up to him. Yeah, and I'm procrastinating a lot. Like a lot. I didn't buy anything new, nothing special either. I've not used any bins or baskets, or I'm just taking out old clothes and shipping them off to somebody who can use them. So we'll see you at the end. Wish me luck, because it's pretty messy in there. I have a lot of black clothes. I think it's because I'm a hairdresser by trade. We love our black clothes. It's kind of our uniform. You guys understand, right? Yeah, you do. I know you do. Whew, that's a lot. Aw, bridesmaids dresses. Hello, old friends. Mark and I got married a couple years ago outdoors, and that's the bottom of my dress. It's the ombre effect. Oh my gosh. I am shocked that I did not get any red wine on this, because I might have drank a bit of red wine that night. Whew. Oh, there's all my shoes. Oh, sweet. Oh, hi, fuzzies. Keeping. Okay, I'm getting rid of this. I've never worn it. Not once. Not once. What? Oh, yeah. No, not happening. I need a donate pile. Does anybody else get excited about these bags when you get like a purchase and you, what do you do with them? They just sit in your closet collecting dust. So I'm going to use it to donate things. Yes, I am. Love this shirt. Oh, and that too. Off-brand summer. Well, now isn't this cute? I forgot I even had it. I'm gonna bring that downstairs, and I'm not bringing one of my hangers down there. Forget it. No, just no. So a little trick. Everybody probably already knows this little trick, but I am turning this hanger one way, and if I wear it, then I'm going to turn it the other way, so then I know if I've worn it or not. Well, hello. Hello, I'm cleaning my closet. You want up and see? Come on up and see. Look what's in there. I know, it's fun, isn't it? I know. I love this color, but I've worn it twice. Do you love that? This shirt. Like, I just know. I know. Is that so nice in there? I went through a cardigan phase, people. Like a big time cardigan phase. I'm over that phase. Dress. I always have good intentions and I just never wear dresses, but just in case. Oh, and this shirt. Like, what was I thinking? This? Hey, how you doing, shoulders? No, not happening. Shirt, I actually don't mind it. Putting on my black shirts back. I need a basket, I feel. Something. Be real. I'll probably just use a cardboard box because I got lots. Like, I don't wear these. You know what? I do this every season. I look at my clothes and I think, I'm never going to wear this. But if I need a light pink cardigan, well, now I have one. So I don't know if I'm definitely not going to wear it. I can honestly say I'm not going to wear it today. Good job. Ah, this is one of my favorites. Oh, that's a blouse. That goes right there. A blouse. This, debatable. I wore it for a video and I looked back and I thought, sure about that. But it was my daughter's and I was excited that it fit me. So I'll just put that back in my closet. Oh, now these little gems. Oh, those feel so nice. Two of them. I have two of them. This one matches my slippers. Put it out. Over here. On the bed. Safe. Good girl. How are you doing? Are you on a pet? Is that what you're doing? Oh, and like this poncho. Oh, I just don't know. Like, I feel like they're so outdated, are they? Okay, well, I'm just gonna put these. Ooh, look at this travesty of a hanger. Okay, we're getting there. I didn't have as much as I thought I did. Oh, love me these. Love. Okay, this one I'm not in love with. I'm kind of impressed with my color coding situation, except some of them are inside out. Don't tell my mom. A win that it's away. Oh dear. All of my scarves, so they go away into storage. Hello? What? I'm organizing. Not your side though. Oh my gosh, dusty. Second, I blow my nose. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video of just organizing my closet, cleaning up around here a little bit, and getting stuff done. I started working on the porch too, and I'm pretty excited. That video is not ready yet. In the works still. few videos in the works, pretty giddy about. This was just a take control of my closet. Thanks so much for watching. Like this video, I've got a couple more little organizing, maybe get a little inspo, get your stuff done kind of video. I will thank you guys very much for stopping by, and if you're new here, you might want to hit that subscribe button. But if you're not new here and you've been here before and you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We do lots of fun stuff here. And for those of you who are subscribed, thank you so much. We appreciate your support, big time. I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.
Oh, that's right.